हेलो। गुड मॉर्निंग। आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं? गुड मॉर्निंग। हेलो, आर यू गेटिंग माय वॉइस?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा ऊंची बोले। HP1707 अनमोल, कैन यू सी माय स्क्रीन?
Uh, Anuj. Yes, sir.
हेलो, माइक सेट करें अपना। हेलो,
Hello.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही अनमोल जी।
Hello.
हाँ जी।
So 17 batch से मैं Anuj.
17 बैच से। ओके ओके, सॉरी, आई एम रीडिंग डिफरेंट नेम्स। ओके, अनुज। अनुज, अनुज है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके, वेट करेंगे 2-3 मिनट। लेट अदर्स ज्वाइन। लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी। हेलो, या आदाब। जी जी। अभी सर डेट निकला नहीं है, बता देंगे उसको। नहीं, अभी निकला नहीं सर। अभी नहीं, इसी महीने पता चल जाएगा। और दिवाली के बाद जब ये हो जाएगा तो बताएंगे। थोड़ा सा वेट करें प्लीज। हाँ, इनके चौकपेट पे आ जाएगा, बच्चों को बताएंगे जब भी डिसाइड होगा हमें। हैं? नहीं, बता देंगे हंस, खुद ही बताएंगे हम। हाँ, ठीक है सर। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। You can all reply with some greetings. सब चुप बैठे हैं, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। माइक नहीं रखा हुआ है अनुज?
Yes, sir.
माइक है तो माइक से बोले, चैट करने में टाइम ज्यादा लगता है।
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Please respond whosoever is listening my voice. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
At least
Good
third
morning,
time.
sir.
At least third time I'm
Morning,
saying.
sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
अभी तक तो लंच सब हो गया होगा, ब्रेकफास्ट तो हो गया होगा कम से कम।
Yes, sir. Breakfast हो गया।
क्या खाया आज?
Sir, आलू के परांठे।
और डेली आलू के पराठे खाते हैं? आजकल तो गोभी भी चला हुआ है,
Yes, sir.
Brunch होता है sir.
अभी गाजर भी आ जाएगा, मूली भी बहुत आ रहा है आजकल। ओके, गुड। भूखे पेट कहते भजन ना होवे, ऐसा कुछ करके लिखा गया कहीं पे। तो अभी पेट भरा हुआ है आपका, 1 घंटा लगाएंगे हम लोग जल्दी से। एनी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम पोर्शन दैट वी हैव कवर्ड यस्टरडे? हालांकि इतना ज़्यादा हमने कुछ इसमें किया नहीं था, बट फिर भी कुछ क्वेश्चन या डाउट हो सकते हैं। हाँ,
No,
स्लो
sir.
ज्वाइन करें अभी लोग। अनदर 2 मिनट्स वी वेट। 10:35 11:35 तक वेट करेंगे, देन विल स्टार्ट। हाँ, कुछ बोलने लगा था कोई। 44 सन्यम शर्मा।
Yes, sir.
अभी आप कहाँ बैठे हैं?
सर घर पे ही।
नहीं, घर पे तो बैठे हैं, लाइक कौन से शहर में बैठे?
सर पानीपत।
वो एक जोक भी है ना, कहते आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं? कहते मैं तो मुंह से बोल रहा हूँ, आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं? सुना ना सन्यम?
Yes, sir.
कहते कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं? मैं कहते मैं तो मुंह से ही बोल रहा हूँ। वो तो मुझे पता है, घर पे बैठे हैं। कौन सा शहर है?
सर पानीपत।
पानीपत। ओके, गुड। एक सॉरी 2018 बैच का बच्चा था, क्लास भी अटेंड कर रहा था, साथ में बाइक भी चला रहा था। उस केस में तो जस्टिफाइड है। मैंने पूछा बेटा कहाँ पे बैठा है? कहता सर घर पे ही हूँ। मेरे को लग तो नहीं रहा। सॉरी। फिर थोड़ी देर बाद कहता सर नहीं, मम्मा को लेके बाइक पे जा रहा हूँ कहीं। फिर मम्मा से बात की, मम्मा कहते क्या करें जी, अभी बाकी घर के काम भी करने होते हैं। मैंने बढ़िया सर, जब घर के काम खत्म हो जाए तो बच्चे को बोलना क्लास भी लगा लेगा। अभी 23 बच्चे ज्वाइन किए हैं। क्या थोड़ा सा पीछे से शुरू करते हैं? अभी 10 11:35 हो गए हैं, ज्यादा वेट नहीं करेंगे। जल्दी से अपना अपना नाम बोल दें जो बैठे हैं।
सर हिमांशु ID 17 सर।
नेक्स्ट
सर संयम ID 44।
बोलते जाएं।
कृष्णा
सर सचिन ID 41।
राइट
संगम 40
Sir, sir.
ID 30
राइट।
तो ID 61
61 का नाम क्या है?
पावनी।
ओके,
सर ID
Aditya
43
Sharma.
संगम
राइट राइट राइट।
अरुण शर्मा ID 51।
बड़े दिन से आपकी आवाज नहीं सुनी, इसलिए बुला रहा हूँ, हाजिरी नहीं लगा रहा हूँ इसमें।
सर ID 43 संगम
राइट।
सर पंकज ID 31।
फॉर्चुनेटली अनफॉर्चुनेटली आपसे ज्यादा मुलाकात नहीं हुई। वी स्टार्टेड इन जैन एंड वी लेफ्ट इन मिड मार्च। 2.5 महीने का हमारा आपस में कनेक्ट है। मेरे को भी नाम याद, वैसे भी नाम याद नहीं होते हैं, मैं कई बार तो वाइफ का नाम भी भूल जाता है।
सर डिफिकल्टी सर
Anyhow, okay, we'll start right now. So I'm shifting to the page that we were discussing yesterday. I'm sure that all of you have got the please mute कर लें अपने आप को. अब आप बोलेंगे जब मैं आपको बोलूंगा बोलने के लिए. एक पुराना गाना है कि आप बोलेंगे कोई बोलता है, दुनिया चाहे कुछ भी बोले, हम तो बोलेगा. तो इसलिए आप अपने को म्यूट कर ले, हम बोलेगा अभी.
So can you be a bit louder, sir?
I'll try.
Yes, sir.
How about now?
थोड़ा सा सर और.
इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, sir.
अपने आप को उस पे ले लें, क्या बात, उस क्या नाम है, लाइक हेडफोन पे ले लें तो ज़्यादा इजी रहेगा. प्लग इन कर लें, उस पे थोड़ा सा आवाज़ ज़्यादा आ जाता है.
Okay, sir.
आजकल तो सेल भी लगी हुई है, अमेजोन पे बोट का ले लें, JBL का ले लें या फिर बॉस का ले लें.
हाँ सर, एयरपॉड्स कर लेता हूँ.
हाँ, उससे आवाज़ ज़्यादा आती है. Right. So we are starting, and we were discussing yesterday that the compression members, and I'm shifting to the IS code page. I'm sure that all of you have got the page IS 800. जितना भी reading material था जो अभी तक relevant है वो मैंने आपको forward कर दिया था कल. And thanks to Vandana, she made the group, and she also had shared that like the documents that we are going to discuss in coming days. Right. So I'm like requesting all of you to open this page, which is now on your screen right now. Can you see it?
Yes,
sir.
Section 7. ये हमने शुरू में भी किया था when we had started this chapter, that the good thing about this subject is that anything and everything that you need to know is mentioned in the code, right? Except from the brief awareness. इसमें order different हो सकता है कि some of the things might be at page number 7, some of the things might be at page number 70. So you say page number 7 को 70 के साथ correlate करना है. ये information आपको सीखना है कि कैसे करना है, कौन सी information कहाँ पे कब और किस लिए यूज करनी है. these things you have to know. अभी किसी का स्कूटर स्टार्ट हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? Anyhow, so this is the section 7. Like we had done, can somebody tell me which section we were referring to when we had designed that, when we went for that tension members? कौन से सेक्शन को रेफर किया था जब हम टेंशन मेंबर कर रहे थे? नॉट क्लियर? सभी के बोलते बंद. So this is another thing that you need to cover. You need to recover. You need to study. You need to sit back and go back and find your notes somewhere. And that will help, right? So, but forget about that. We had done that connection of section number 6. अब याद आ गया? Section number 6 that we had done for tension member, and immediately after that section we are going for design of compression members. And if you see, there are certain formulas written here, right? And these formulas seem to be little complicated, like these terminologies, this terminology, and this one over here, right? अभी बार-बार लोग टन घंटियां बजा रहे हैं. And this formula is there, right? And this figure is there. So we need to learn about this figure very carefully. We shall be moving on to this, right? Only good thing is that you don't need to like grab these formulas. Only thing that you have to have the meaning of each and every term that is being used here in this formula, right? So one by one सभी चीजें discuss करेंगे. Let's go to the notes. Like just for the time being, keep it in mind that whenever we have to refer design of compression members, we shall primarily be referring to the section 7. That's the information that we need to remember. Now coming back to the slides where we had left yesterday, the factors affecting the strength. Factors affecting the strength. If strength behavior, कुछ point हमने कल डिस्कस किया है कि मटेरियल Of course, if it is FE 410 or FE 500, right, of course the strength will be different, right? Then the length of the member, ये कल भी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि length has some effect whether it is short column or it is a long column, right? It defines the failure mode. Then the cross sectional, this is a combination of length and the क्रॉस सेक्शन की वो उसका जो साइज है, लेंथ ब्रेथ कितनी है या डाया कितना है या ओवरऑल सेक्शन की डायमेंशंस क्या है. Then the support conditions, all these three are connected, this length, this cross sectional and this support conditions, right? Length and support conditions is directly length and end conditions, we also call this as end condition, right? These are connected. ये कल मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था. If it is a fixed end condition, then the effective length is different. If it is freely supported without any end support and like fixity, then the effective length is different, right? So ये कल का portion है imperfections or residual stresses. Imperfection means like this is some term which we shall be using when we are going to discuss that formula, right? There are certain imperfections. कोई भी चीज कहते हैं nothing is perfect, nothing is absolute. This is general statement we make at number of platforms, right? So same applies here, that doesn't matter how perfect we make a member, doesn't matter how highest standards of the quality we apply, but still we need to give certain provisions for the imperfections in the material, imperfections in calculation of the loading, imperfections in defining the end conditions, then residual stresses. Can somebody tell me what is the meaning of residual stresses? आपको अगर याद होगा तो शुरू में मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया था, बट कहते हैं कि पानी अब बाहर निकल चुका है दरिया में से. सो रेजिड्यूल बेसिकली इज दैट इफ मैंने शायद आपको, इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट ए बॉक्सर इज फाइटिंग इन ए रिंग, राइट, his condition, his physical strength is different in first round, and it is entirely different in round 3 or 4 or 5, right? That means over a period of time, over a period of like constant loading of that member under certain load, that member starts developing certain fatigue or certain like residual में उसमें कुछ बच जाता है उस force का effect member में. So this thing will also be taken care of. And the good thing again is that you don't need to calculate how exactly we calculate the residual stress, because these factors are already taken care of within those formulas which we will be discussing in coming slides, right? This one we have discussed. Imperfection means कि isotropic नहीं है, material homogeneous नहीं है, क्योंकि हमने already मान के चल रहे हैं, but ये ऐसा होता नहीं है practically. So that's why we need to have this imperfections. ज्योमेट्रिकल वेरिएशंस हो सकता है, मान के चले कॉलम एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है बट ऐसा नहीं है. एक्सेंट्रिसिटी है कि हम मान के चले कि लोड इज एग्जैक्टली अप्लाइंग थ्रू द एक्सेस ऑफ दैट मेंबर, बट प्रैक्टिकली ऐसा होता नहीं है, राइट? देयर हैज टू हैव सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ एक्सेंट्रिसिटी दैट might be there in the beginning itself, or it may develop down the line after the loading is applied, right? So these are the things that this is general. All these factors have been taken care of when we actually go for the design of compression members through those formulas, right? इसके ऊपर आएंगे हम लोग जब we are actually discussing that formula. Now the different cross sections for the rolled steel, ये हमने शुरू में भी किया था, that we shall be referring to the steel tables. That is the book that already you got it, steel tables. फोटोकॉपी भी हो सकती है और किसी ने ओरिजिनल भी परचेज किया, मैंने अभी सॉफ्ट में भी आपसे शेयर किया, राइट? द कंप्रेशन मेंबर्स कैन बी लाइक एंगल्स, इट कैन बी डबल एंगल बैक टू बैक, इट कैन बी FT, दिस इज जनरल, दिस इज चैनल, दिस hollow steel section, this is rectangular steel. All these sections we had discussed. क्योंकि then the built up sections, this one is built up section, दो एंगल लगाए हुए हैं हमने साथ साथ. So this can also be made of built up section, like one angle is this, another angle is this, another angle is this, and this is angle, right? All these are 4 angles. All 4 angles joined together to make a box. This is built up, right? It could be like this as well. Right? This is also built up. It could be like this is one channel and this is another channel. All these shapes are built up sections, right? It could be like this. This is, we call it as face to face. This one is face to face, and this one is back to back. Like these are different arrangements of built up sections. So as and when we design, so we shall also be discussing that if it is made of a single member or if it is made of more than 2 members, we shall be designing accordingly, right? So this is the slide which I have discussed. This channel face to face, this is channel back to back, this is box section, this is eye section with plates. This one is plate, top and bottom. This is built up eye section, right? This is the angle here, there's another angle here, right? So this is general, and as we had discussed that length is affected by the end conditions. Length is affected by the end conditions. So end conditions, then IS 800. So we shall be referring to this one only. So this table, you don't have to remember it. This is there. It's as it is written, table number 11, IS 800 2007. I can open it for you. This is table number 11. This one. This is table number 11, page number 45. The effective length of compression members, clause 7.2.2, right? So we can refer to 7.2.2 and end conditions. According to end conditions, we shall be discussing. This is one end is fixed, another end is free, one end is pinned, and another end is free. Effective length is 2. Like if the length of the column is 1000 mm or 10,000 mm, so it is 10 meter, right? So LE shall be 20,000 or 20 meter, right? And it, because the length, as the length increase and as, depending on the end conditions, it can fail or so this one is fixed and this is fixed and this is same as given, right? This one is fixed and another one is pin. Then this is 1.2L. Then this is fixed and partly fixed and partly fixed in one direction, just like the door hinge. This is 0.8L. So we shall be referring to this table as well, right? This is both end fixed. This is 0.6L. So this is the table number 11. आपको ये याद रखना है, जब भी आपको end conditions दी गई होंगी उसके हिसाब से we shall be referring to this table and accordingly, क्योंकि question आपका कोई भी शुरू होगा that will start from the effective length, and without getting to the effective length, we will not be able to calculate the slenderness ratio. And if we are not able to calculate the slenderness ratio, we shall not be able to define whether it is a short column or it is a long column. So if we are not able to define whether it's a short column or long column, so we shall not be applying the correct formula of failure, right? So if we are not able to apply the correct formula of failure, then we shall be doing the wrong design of that member. You got it? So length is the important part based on the end conditions, and we shall be referring to table 11. So this you should keep it in mind most of the times, right? Now coming back to the slide, this is end condition. This is the portion that we had. I have like summarized in compression members number 1. You see the table top of the file name. This is compression number 1. Now we are moving to compression members number 2, right? So before I move to compression number 2, let me open the hand notes that I have given to you, right? हैंड नोट में जो चीज़ें अभी हमने डिस्कस की हैं वही इसमें मेंशन की हुई हैं. जस्ट वेरी क्विकली वी गो थ्रू दैट. आपका रेपिटेशन भी हो जाएगा, आपका रिवीजन भी हो जाएगा. हालांकि हैंड राइटिंग मेरी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, बट फिर भी आई प्रिज्यूम कि आपको समझ लग रही होगी. एज के साथ हो जाता है. हेलो, यस सर, नो सर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't say all the time yes sir. Sometimes you have learn to say no. Okay? No sir. समझ नहीं आ रहा सर. अभी एक 2018 बैच की मैं क्लास ले रहा था. I was drawing this figure. You can see it on the right hand side like this. Because I am drawing it with the stylus, the figure was not clear. Somebody said कि सर समझ नहीं लग रहा है ये क्या बन रहा है. Like, तो डंबल सा लग रहा है सर, कहते हैं. Initially I thought that somebody is serious in saying it. फिर जब मैंने दोबारा उसको बनाया, सर नहीं कहते अभी सर बड़ा डंबल बन गया, छोटा डंबल. Then I ultimately we came to know that some outsider had joined the class. Right? So in that sense, anyhow, so डंबल तो खैर कई लोग यूज कर रहे होंगे, अभी सेहत बना रहे होंगे. So this is the hand notes on the things that we have covered: columns, stanchion, struts, boom. The same thing that we had done, right? Then this is buckling or lateral bending. Instability in case of buckling causes the member to fail much before than it is its actual compressive load capacity. So that it says that buckling में column जल्दी fail हो जाता है as compared to its normal capacity. So buckling is affected by length. Buckling होगा length के हिसाब से. लेंथ कम है तो बकलिंग जल्दी होगा, लेंथ ज़्यादा है तो बकलिंग जल्दी होगा, लेंथ कम है तो बकलिंग थोड़ा लेट होगा, right? So the buckling, the length depends upon the length defines the slenderness ratio, and slenderness ratio is affected by the end conditions. ये भी चीजें जो हमने डिस्कस की हैं. So just read it. Then we have to refer table number 11, right? Then eccentricity is also initiated by imperfection. Imperfection. So before we move to this page, there are 4 classes, 4 buckling classes: class A, class B, class C, and class D, right? So we come back to this page then when we get certain clear picture on it through the presentation board, right? So this is the presentation number 2. इसके ऊपर ज़्यादा आपने ध्यान नहीं देना है. that formula based upon the maximum strength. There are 4 criteria basically: formula based upon the maximum strength, formula based upon the yield limit strength, Perry-Robertson formula, formula based upon the tangent modulus theory, and empirical formula such as Merchant-Rankine's formula. So you don't pay too much stress on this, just the general awareness. But the thing that we are following is this one: the Indian Standard Code I-800 2007. Let me mark it in red. Indian Code 800 2007 has adopted multiple column curves which is based upon the Perry-Robertson theory, right? The Perry-Robertson theory, Perry-Robertson ने एक curves बनाई हुई हैं according to the different loads and the end conditions and the other parameters, and this is also being followed by the British code BS 5950, right? So we are concerned with this formula, Perry-Robertson theory formula, which has been adopted by the Indian Standard 800 2007, right? And it is same as BS 5950 part 1 2000, right? So what exactly is this, right? So this is also given in the code. This curve is also given in the code, these curves. So along the horizontal, this is the uh, non-dimensional slenderness ratio that is defined by Fy and FCR. FCR is the critical stress, Fy is the yield stress, right? And along this is the FCD. FCD that is the compressive design. एक चीज आप ध्यान में रखें कि जब भी कोई नॉमेनक्लेचर आप यूज करेंगे उसको पढ़ने का भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. Instead of saying directly this is FCD, anybody can read it as FCD, that is fine. But what is F, what is C, and what is D? This thing you also have to be very clear. For example, this CR, right? This is critical on the right hand side, and on the left hand side, F is the stress, C is the compression, and D is the design compressive strength. This is the meaning of FCD. So one has to read it, right? So based on these curves, there are 4 categories: A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D, right? So just you have to, if this curve is there, like as if like multiple choice question, what does this curve represent actually, right? So you can say that this is the column buckling curves. You have to name it, and this has been given in the code as well, right? Table. Let me go to that page. This one. This is the code. The same picture that we have been referring to. FCD upon FYY, and this one is lambda. This is FY FCR, right? So based upon these curves, you don't have to go into details of this. Just remember this is A. There are 4 categories: A, B, C, and D, right? And this A, B, C, D, we read it as class A, class B, and class C and class D, right? So A, B, C, D, what does it mean? What is class A, what is class B, and what is class C, and what is class D? So we shall be referring to class A, B, C, and D depending upon the type of the structure of that structural member, right? So I'm moving to the slide. We'll come back to the table itself, right? So based upon class A, B, C, or D, right? There is one factor we call it an imperfection factor. Imperfection अभी हमने कहा था कि there can be number of reasons to have that imperfection, and if it is class A, the imperfection factor is 0.21. Where do we apply? We'll reach to that formula कि इस formula में alpha हमने use करना है. The alpha is the imperfection factor that depends upon the class, and classes are 4, and these values are fixed given in the code itself. Where are these mentioned? Let me go back to the code. This center of your screen, table number 7, these are the imperfection factors. If you read it, the classification of different sections under different buckling classes A, B, C, or D is given in table number 10. And table number 10 will also refer कि table number 10 को कैसे हमने refer करना है, right? So these curves, 4 curves are defined in tabular form as well, right? क्योंकि यहाँ से वैल्यू रीड करना बड़ा मुश्किल है. यहाँ पे कितना है वैल्यू, यहाँ पे कितना है, यहाँ पे कितना है. So all these tables all these values are given in the table, and these are the tables. If you read this, the FCD buckling class A, this is table number 9A. right? We shall be referring to this table. Then the table number 9b, value of FCD for buckling class B, and table number 9C, class C. Then last one is the table number 9D, class D, right? So this table is, most of the time we shall be referring to this is the slenderness ratio, KL upon R. KL is the factor which depends upon the end condition, whether it's 1 or 2 or 0.85 or 0.6, जो भी हमने end conditions का table देखा था, table number 11. And then we shall be referring to this 250. This is the value of Fy. Most of the time we shall be referring to this type of steel for which the value of Fy is 250 Newton mm per mm square. अगर we will work out the slenderness ratio, then we'll using this formula कि exact value जो है वो FCD की कितनी है. We shall be try to find the value of FCD depending upon the value of KL upon R and Fy. Right? Then how to get to the class कि class हमने कौन सी रेफर करनी, कौन सा टेबल रेफर करना है, क्लास A का टेबल रेफर करना है, B का टेबल रेफर करना है, या C का करना है, या D का करना है. Then we'll be going to this next table, this one. Table number 10 will define the class. आप कहीं नोटबुक पे भी, हैंडबुक पे लिखा हुआ, हैंड नोट्स उसमें लिखा है मैंने, because we shall be referring to the load carrying capacity, that is design compressive strength, right? So design compressive strength will be calculated based on the Fy, KL upon R, and Fy and KL upon R, and also the structural member, that is the cross sectional. जब फैक्टर्स हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे उसके बेस पे हमने डिफाइन करना है कि क्लास कौन सी है, which class are we going to refer, right? So read this table carefully. We shall also be referring to this table. First of all, if it is a rolled I section, if it is I section जिसको हम गर्डर बोलते हैं, right? I section की H upon BF, ये dimension H is the height of the or the depth of the column, this one. BF is the width of the column, right? If it is more than 1.2, for example, this one is 400, this one is 300, then 400 by 300, it is more than by 400 by 300 कितना हुआ? फोर 400 by 300 कितना हुआ?
1.3 something.
1.3 something, right? So this is more than 1.2, right? And next is TF. TF is the thickness of the flange, this one. Thickness of the flange. If this is the condition, and we shall be talking about ZZ axis and YY axis. थोड़ा सा हम इसमें आपको जो स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल में आपने किया था, जहाँ इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स में किया था, हाउ टू फाइंड द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया, राइट? उसमें इस चीज में यूज करेंगे, वो आपको थोड़ा सा रिकॉल करना पड़ेगा, जब आएगा तो उसको थोड़ा सा करेंगे भी, राइट? सो देन if it is ZZ axis, then a class A. If it is along YY axis, then we take B. Then the next category, ये तो TF जो है वो पहले केस में था less than 40, if greater than 40 and less than 100, then ZZ and Y axis, it is B and C. So these are the different parameters, right? So we shall be referring to this table as and when the question we shall be discussing. So अभी आपको सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है, जब क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो इस टेबल पे हम आएंगे, then we shall be defining the class. क्लास के हिसाब से फिर हम imperfection factor देखेंगे, imperfection factor के हिसाब से फिर हम बाकी वैल्यूज को कैलकुलेट करेंगे, और वो टेबल हम रेफर करेंगे, A टेबल रेफर करना है, B करना है, C करना है, या D करना है, राइट? उसके हिसाब से फिर हम will be calculating the value of FCD, the load carrying capacity. And then if it is a welded section, then B, C and CD according to this dimension. If it is a hollow section, pipe है आपका या hollow square section है या rectangular section है, then hot rolled any axis, this is any axis, right? It shall be A. If it is cold form, it shall be given to you. If any axis, it shall be B, right? Then welded box, we shall be referring this table. Channel section, single channel section, angle section, T section, solid section. For all these, for any axis, the class shall be C. And then built up. किसी भी तरह का कोई built up member हो, चाहे I section हो, चाहे channel section हो, चाहे box section हो, like this, जो हमने पहले डिस्कस किए हैं. Then any axis, whether it is ZZ axis or YY axis, it shall be C. So we shall be referring to this table as well. So this is table number 10. We shall be referring to this. Table number 9. We shall be referring 9 के 4 table हैं, 9A, 9B, 9C, 9D. We shall be referring to those tables, and we shall be referring to table number 7, which is imperfection factor. Coming back to this one, right? इस टेबल को भी रेफर करेंगे. Then we shall be following those formulas and calculating the values, right? So this is the basic. We are now coming back to the same table, coming back to the slideshow. This is the same table which I was showing to you. That is in IS 800 booklet. It has been reproduced here in the slideshow, and this is same. This one is same table that we had just discussed. Now coming to the calculations कि हमने शुरू कहाँ से करना और कैसे करना है, right? So listen to this very carefully. There are two methods. One is the empirical, like we apply the formula, and second one is the following the table. टेबल की वैल्यूज को फॉलो करना है. दोनों को हम एक क्वेश्चन कोशिश करेंगे ट्राई करने की दोनों मेथड से, तो देखें कि कौन सा टाइम ज़्यादा लेता है और कौन सा कम लेता है. देन फॉर नेक्स्ट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस वी शैल बी रेफरिंग टू दोस, राइट? So this starts with the very first clause 7.1.2 IS 800 2007. So let me go to that page. This is IS. This is the clause or the relevant section which we are referring to. This is P. This is general criteria. ये हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं. PD, there are two nomenclature mentioned. One is P and another one is PD. PD is the design compressive strength of the member. Design compressive strength of the member. The PD जो है design compressive strength member की, वो P से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. So what is P? P is the load which is applied on the column or the compression member. PD is the strength of the column. For example, load हमने apply किया है 1500 kilonewton, right? This is P. The PD has to be more than 1500, ताकि जो उसका जो load carrying capacity है column की, वो जितना उसके ऊपर load आ रहा है उससे ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. That is like general, right? So that is how now we shall be calculating the design strength of the member. तो डिज़ाइन स्ट्रेंथ को कैलकुलेट करेंगे, फिर चेक करेंगे कि फॉर एग्जांपल आपको कि डिज़ाइन ए कॉलम, डिज़ाइन ए कंप्रेशन मेंबर टू कैरी ए कंप्रेसिव लोड ऑफ 1000 किलो न्यूटन. हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, राइट? जिसका लेंथ वगैरह सब दिया होगा. जब डिज़ाइन करने के बाद हमारा लोड जो है वो इफ इट इज़ कमिंग आउट टू बी, चेक करते हैं कि वो बाकी 1000 ले रहा है कि नहीं ले रहा है. इफ इट इज़ कमिंग आउट टू बी 1200 देन इट इज़ सेफ. अदरवाइज अगर हमारा 900 आ रहा है या 1000 से कम आ रहा है, फॉर एग्जांपल 990, इट इज लेस देन द लोड अप्लाइड, देन दिस वन इज नॉट सेफ. सो दिस इज जनरल क्राइटेरिया दैट वी शैल रेफर टू. मैं करता हूँ क्लास के बाद. Right. So this is general that PD has to be more than the load which is applied on the column. Right. So this is the same. Then what is PD? अब फार्मूले को हम आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. PD is AE. This is AE. ध्यान से. अब जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि you should be able to read it, not AE. You should be able to read it. Effective. E is effective. And A is what? बोले. Hello. Hello.
area.
Yes, sir.
A is what? Effective area, right?
Effective area.
So you should be able to read it like this, not AE. AE का मतलब भी आपको clear होना चाहिए, right? Similarly, FCD. What is FCD? This one, blue में mark किया था.
Design comprehensive stress.
Stress.
दोबारा बोले.
Design compressive strength.
Fine. This is the designed compressive stress, right? So now we move to this formula. अब PD को calculate करने के लिए we have to find the value of FCD. अभी जो टेबल देख रहे थे ना हम लोग, FCD को हमने ढूंढना है, राइट? तो FCD को जब ढूंढ लेंगे तो इस फॉर्मूले में हम लगाएंगे. So we shall be able to get the PD. PD जब मिल जाएगा, then we check कि ये P से ज़्यादा है या कम है, right? So how to get the FCD? So FCD is given in the code. This is the next clause, right? FCD is given by Fy. What is Fy?
Yield strength.
Yield strength, right? Divided by gamma m0. What is gamma m0? If somebody remembers that in the very beginning we had got these values gamma m0, gamma ml. जब बोल्ट का याद करे थे ना, कौन सा टेबल रेफर करे थे हम लोग?
Slenderness ratio.
नहीं गामा बेटा, गामा. स्लेंडरनेस रेशियो इज लैम्डा. जब टेंशन मेंबर डिजाइन कर रहे थे ना, बोल्ट डिजाइन कर रहे थे हम लोग, बोल्ट, तो उसमें हम मटेरियल की स्ट्रेंथ भी देख रहे थे. कौन सा टेबल देख रहे थे?
Safety factor.
हाँ, सेफ्टी फैक्टर, पार्शियल सेफ्टी फैक्टर है ना, partial safety factor. This one is partial safety factor for material. Which table? Table number, jaldi se. I'm moving to that table. शुरू में याद किया होगा. Table number 4, table number 5, remember? This one.
5, sir.
This is safety, partial safety for loads, right? Then table number 5 was for materials. This was the table. So we shall be referring to this table. So gamma m0, आप देखें ना यहाँ पे लिखा है yield में gamma 10 is 1.1. So ये वैल्यू आप याद ही रख लें, ये आपको याद हो जाएगा. तो अगर अल्टीमेट है तो 1.25, अगर yield stress है तो gamma m0 is 1.1, gamma ml is 1.25. ये दो वैल्यूज आप याद रखेंगे. और टेबल नंबर, क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है आपको 1 की गामा m0 कौन से टेबल से लेंगे. टेबल नंबर 4, टेबल नंबर 5, टेबल नंबर 6, like this, right? So you should remember it. Clear? So coming back to that formula, कौन से पेज पे थे?
34.
This was the page, right? I'm trying to explain each and every term written in this formula so that you are not confused. So our target is to find FCD. FCD find करने के लिए हमें FY चाहिए, right? Gamma m, ये दोनों values हमें हैं. For generally we take this value as 250 and gamma as 1.1, right? For the given stick. Then phi is given by this formula, 0.5, this one, right? 1 plus alpha. What is alpha? अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था.
Imperfection factor.
Imperfection factor, table number 7, right? We take it from that. And to define alpha, we need to define what? Class. Class A, B, C या D है, right? उस हिसाब से हम इसको देखेंगे. Then next one is delta. Sorry, lambda. Lambda. Right? Lambda को find करने के लिए then this formula. That means the formula is moving like this. Right? So moving like this, so we get to this FCD. जब FCD आ जाएगा, then we put this FCD here. यहाँ पे, right? So each and every term is written here, and then lambda is non-dimensional effective slenderness ratio, and it is given by Fy divided by FCC. अब FCC की वैल्यू जो है वो is to be calculated by this formula, जो कल हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, यूलर बकलिंग फार्मूला, स्ट्रेस. This is pi square divided pi square E divided by K, L and R, where K is the end condition factor, L is the length, and R is the radius of gyration. So that shall be taken from the steel table, this value of R, right? R की value steel table, I am opening steel table here. कोई भी section हो, for example angle ही है, right? If you see this, can you find the value of R here? Radius of gyration. This is right. There are three values: RXX, RYY, RUU, and RVV. Right. इस टेबल को रेफर करेंगे, we'll get to the value of R by appropriate value of RY. Right. So KL upon R, then alpha, then zeta. This is called zeta. It's not X. It is like this. Right. The stress reduction factor is calculated by this 1 upon 5 plus pi square minus lambda. Phi की वैल्यू हमने पहले कैलकुलेट कर लेनी है, like this, right? यहाँ से, so we calculate this and find the FCD. This is one part. जी
बताया आपने स्टील टेबल में.
हाँ, ये अब देखेंगे मेंबर किस हिसाब से लगा हुआ, राइट? अप्रोप्रिएट वैल्यू, ये ZZ लेना है हमने, XX लेना है, या थर्ड जो
RU का मतलब क्या और RVV का मतलब?
आपने शुरू में दिस इज RUU, लाइक दिस इज a 3-dimensional member. If it is in 3-dimensional, like long load is applied other than the YY and ZZ axis, right? This is YY axis, this is X or Z axis, and this is the axis which is perpendicular, right? And that depends upon the loading condition. Load is applied in this fashion or this fashion, but you don't have to worry about at this stage, right? So most of the time, this is something which we had discussed in the beginning. If you look at this, let me go to this page. I would request you to read and go through this. The very first pages of steel table. Not steel table, this IS code. This one. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
And I would request you to read it again, and then this is the vocabulary. The very first pages. राइट। किसी भी टर्म के बारे में कुछ भी पढ़ना है, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस के एल अपॉन आर जेड, के एल अपॉन आर वाई, दिस एम डी, व्हाट इज एफ सी डी, फॉर एग्जांपल वी नीड टू डिस्कस व्हाट इज एफ सी डी, राइट, व्हाट इज एफ सी सी। सो यू कैन ऑलवेज गो टू दिस, जहाँ पे आपका आई एस कोड शुरू होता है उसमें हर एक चीज़ का क्लैरिटी दी गई है, राइट। सो ऑल्सो रीड दिस फिगर अभी जो मैंने आपको दिखाई है। So these are the three-dimensional axis. If the load is applied in any other direction other than the plane of the member, right? Plane, you understand? There are primarily three planes of any member, which is three-dimensional. One is the agar paper, like your paper has two planes, like this paper has two planes. One is this y, and this one is another, this one, and third one is the perpendicular to this, which is going from top to bottom at 90 degree, and another one is the angle which is perpendicular to this one, and another one is perpendicular to this member. So this is u and this is v. Anyhow, so we are not discussing in detail this one, but we have to find and deselect according to when as an in look as it is provided in the structural combination of that structure, the member, right. So coming back to this slide, so we were discussing this formula. So this is comprehensive, like we need to calculate PD. So to find the PD we need to calculate the FCD, like it moves like this. To find FCD, so we need to find Fy, F, this FCD goes here, gamma m0, then we need to find f phi. Phi की वैल्यू यहाँ से करेंगे, phi से हम FCD देखेंगे, then we need to find the delta lambda, right, and lambda is calculated by this formula, so we put it here. So this formula goes like this, right. So this is the empirical method, right. This is to use this formula we need to calculate number of values. Of course, it all depends upon class A, B, C, or D. So we need to define. And another one is the table method, following the table or curves. जो curves दी हुई हैं, उसमें will find the refer the value 9A, table 9A, B, or C, or D. Then we get the value of FCD directly from the table. We'll get the value directly from the table. अभी जो हम टेबल 9, 10, 11 देख रहे थे, I'm moving to those tables. This one, right? 9A, B, C और D. तो इससे हम सीधी सी वैल्यू हम कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे FCD की. This table gives us the value FCD. For example, for 250 Fy, and if slenderness ratio is 50, so we get the value of directly from this table, that is 167. अगर उसके बीच में कहीं है, then we interpolate it, right? Then directly we find the value FCD, and if we go to that, FCD की सारी calculations हम avoid कर सकते हैं. Directly put the value over here from the table, this one, and then we get the value of PD. This is the same notation that we are using from the table IS 800, right? These are the tables A, B, C, D, right? Another one is we refer the table number 3. Table number 3 of IS 800. उसमें लिखा गया कि slenderness ratio की range क्या है. The primarily will follow this, the carrying loads resulting from dead load and superimposed loads. And when we check the value of KL upon R, if it is less than 180, we find that it is okay. If it is not, then we have to revise the method. So we'll also for check point of view, from check point of view, we'll do this, right? And we are leaving the discussion today till this point. So tomorrow we shall solve this example by both the methods. कि एक तो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे हम लोग, सारी वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट करेंगे, right? And second, will using the table we find the value. So this is the question that we'll try to solve. ये मैंने handwritten है ये. We use solve this numerical by using table and also the table and the empirical, right? So today's discussion is up to this point, and how to use it and कहाँ से कैसे क्या क्या लेना है जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आई थिंक जो आज हमने डिस्कशन की है वो ज़्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगी, राइट? एनी क्वेश्चंस टिल नाउ? Any questions till now?
No, sir.
So I would request each and every person to go through whatever we have covered. Just it will help because कल question आप solve करेंगे. मैं just आप calculator साथ में रखें. Though it has been solved there on the paper itself, but I would request that कि आप जब हाथ से करेंगे तो और ज़्यादा clear हो जाएगा, right? So if you have some questions, you can ask right now. Otherwise, we are closing today's session. So we'll join at the same time. Tomorrow is Saturday, but we'll be joining at the same time. अगर और कोई क्लास नहीं है कल तो can we join at a little early 10:30 or 10?
सर अभी तो कोई भी क्लास नहीं लग रही सर, आपकी क्लास ही लग रही है।
नहीं
Yes,
मैंने
sir.
इसलिए इसे 11:30 रखा था क्योंकि मंडे से आपकी दूसरी क्लासेस शुरू हो जाएंगी, आपको आदत पड़ जाएगी 11:30 डीएस
Okay, sir.
क्लास लगती है, बट सैटरडे को क्लास आपकी शायद और कोई नहीं होती है, तो इफ वी कैन हैव इट दिस क्लास एट 10:30 मेरे को कोई इशू नहीं है, आई विल बी हियर इन द कैंपस ओनली.
अरे 11:30 ठीक है, कुछ बच्चे उठते नहीं है 10:30 तक.
ओके ग्रेट. ठंड बढ़ गई है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो 11:30 फिर उठतेंगे तो फिर परोठा भी खाना होता है. चले ठीक है, अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है कल मिलेंगे 11:30, राइट?
Okay, thank you, sir.
और बस आप सारी चीजें रेडी रखें अपने साथ.
Yes, sir.
All the best.
ओके सर।
Okay, sir.